let's change out this battery. What's going on, guys? It's Dave from GVA, Ghetto Van Adventures, and we're working on this Ford Mustang. It's a 2002, and we're going to change out the battery. So first things first, let's get the battery cables undone. Negative first, then positive. Now this battery is dead, but negative first, then positive. So let's get these off. That's how simple it is. You just loosen that off, and it unclamps the battery terminal. Okay? Let's see if it's loose enough to take off. Yes, it is. There we go. So that's the negative one off. And let's hope the positive comes undone just as easy. Yep. There. Now, there's a bolt down there, and now I put some penetrating oil on it right there, and the reason I did that is because the battery hasn't been out in ages. So let's get that one out, and they'll seize in there, but that's why I put that oil on there. I got my trusty rigid. Oh, I made short work of it. So you pull out the bolt, and there's like a wedge. That thing right there. So you take those two out, just put them aside, and now remember, this battery, it's heavy. So you lift, and it's out. Battery. Now you can clean up any corrosion down there, and see this little corrosion on the wires right there, on the cables? I'm going to clean that off also. Okay, I got them cleaned up pretty good. Inside, like outside here and inside there, because that's where it touches. So I want to get those cleaned up. So now it's just a matter of putting the battery in. I'll warn all of you now that if you're not used to lifting up batteries, they can get heavy. So if you're not used to it, you know, you might want to get somebody that might be a little stronger than you. So there you go. So now I'm going to reverse what I did. Tight. In there. There it is, right down in there. Back to where it was. Battery's tight in there. Now, you reassemble positive first, then I'll go negative. I pulled the little cap off the negative terminal, and negative is on. Now I'm just tightening up the negative cable. And that's it. That is how you install a battery on a 2002 Mustang, and it'll fit other years. I'll put that in the description. That was pretty simple. Now it took me, I guess, 15 minutes, and that's videoing too and setting up and everything else. And like I say, just basic hand tools, and it comes out. But if you know you're going to do a battery, the little hold down bolt that's down beside your battery there, put a little penetrating oil on, or knocker loose or something on it a day or two before if you can, because boy oh boy, that can be tight in there, because it can sit years. And when you put it together, if you're planning on keeping the car, put anti-seize on it. That way, if you ever take it out again, it's easy. Anyway guys, that's about it. Pretty simple, eh? Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys take care. Please be safe on the road.